Welcome to the story of Ronald Reed, a janitor who saved and invested his money wisely and ended up with $8 million. Unlike many people, Ronald didn't rely on winning the lottery or inheriting money to become wealthy. He worked hard and saved consistently, allowing the wonders of compound interest to work in his favor. But Ronald's story isn't just about saving and investing. It's also about the importance of good money habits. You see, intelligence and education are not the only factors that determine financial success. Your behavior with money is often more important. So, what can we learn from Ronald's story? It's important to save and invest consistently, be patient, and not worry too much about short-term ups and downs, and find a balance between saving and investing wisely. Remember, with dedication, patience, and smart money habits, you too can achieve financial success. Thank you for watching.